Welcome to Why You Should Read in Your Genre. Reading is vital if you want to be a writer. In fact, I could argue that reading, just reading, and nothing else might be the only thing you truly need to become a writer. You learn so much about storytelling, grammar, and genre conventions by reading books. This is especially important when you're writing in a specific genre. In today's market, avid readers will devour books in their favorite genres, sometimes even reading one or more per day. You know what these readers want? Their favorite tropes and their favorite genres delivered to them in a fresh new way. We will always advocate for reading widely in all genres, mainly because we just love books, but also because reading widely makes you a more well-rounded person and a better author in general. It's absolutely vital, though, to read in your own genre that you're writing, so here's why. You'll discover the market. What's trending? What's out of trend? If there are already 100 books in your genre about topic A, do you really need to write another one? Or could you take the beloved tropes such as billionaires, enemies to lovers, the chosen one, etc., and add a new spin on it? You'll discover if you even know the genre. Have you read Harry Potter? What about The Help? Those are two fantastic books in two very, very different genres, and because of that, they have different writing styles. You don't want to pour your energies writing a book in genre A in the style of genre B because you've never actually read a book in genre A to know how they're normally written. Your own writing skills will improve. Have you ever heard this phrase, good writers borrow but great writers steal? This phrase doesn't mean plagiarism. It's talking about the magic that happens when you're reading a really good book. The characters and imagery and themes just pop out at you and swallow you whole. You fall into the story and you're mystified, and let's face it, maybe a little depressed because you think, wow, this is good. This is so good. You likely won't even notice it's happening, but if you read enough really good books, your own writing will improve. Your subconscious will pick up on the storytelling elements that you're lacking, and you'll gradually become a better writer yourself. So here's how to start reading in your genre. Whether you're an Ellie who writes in several genres, or an Amy, which is me, and I stick to contemporary romance, we recommend picking one genre at a time and focusing on it. This is homework, people. Your grade will be revealed in your final manuscript. So choose the genre you'd like to write in, either for good or for your next book, and hit up the bestseller list. Check out Apple Books or Amazon or even the New York Times bestseller list and find your genre. Read the top 10 books or 20, and then check out the new releases in your genre too and read those as well. It's important to stay on top of trends and see what the market is really hungry for right now. So we recommend reading newer releases that were published within the last 2 years or so, as well as some classics or beloved books in your genre. Tip: if you don't have the money to buy a ton of books, we feel you. So check out your local library. You can also get a digital library card and check out ebooks and audiobooks for free while also supporting your library. Mine has an app to download, and I think most of them do as well, so I can listen to audiobooks or read ebooks from an app on my phone without ever having to leave the house and go to the library, so really make sure you check that out. Another option is to check out the top authors in your genre and look over their books. Many best-selling indie authors have a freebie first book in their series. Sometimes you just sign up for their newsletter, or you can find it on their website, or you can just look at their books on Amazon and they'll have one for free. So look up all the popular authors in your genre that you want to write in, download all their freebies and read them for free, and that'll help you see what makes those authors a bestseller. And the best part about this, reading is part of your job as a writer, and all the money you spend buying books is also a tax write-off. So that's pretty cool. So pick your genre and get to reading.